What is standard unit vectors? We call it I and j. I is a horizontal unit vector, 1, 0. J is a vertical unit vector, 0, 1. How do they look? It's 1, it starts from 0, 0 and goes to 1, 0. So it's a horizontal unit vector that has a length of 1. J vector is from 0, 0 to 0, 1, which is the vertical unit vector, length of 1. So sometimes they're going to ask you to convert the component form of a vector into a linear combination of I and j. So what you do is if you have a comma b, let's say it was 2, 3, then think about it. How many i's do we have? 2. So you can rewrite it as 2i plus 1. How many j's? 2, 3, because it has 3, length of 3, so 3j. And these two are the vectors, so you have to have it bolded or put the notation. So let's just show work why these two are equal to each other. So what was I again? I was 1, 0 vector plus 3 times j, which is 0, 1. And when you write in a linear combination of I and j, you don't put comma, neither component brackets. Okay? So when you distribute 2, it's 2, 0. And here when you distribute 3, you have 0, 3. So you have, when you add them, 2 plus 0 is 2, 0 plus 3 is 3. So you see how they're equal, but they're just in a different form. Vector u is a vector with initial point 2, -5 and terminal point of -1, 3. Write u as a linear combination of standard unit vector I and j. So what do you need to find first? You have to first find the component form of vector u, right? So what do? You do head minus tail, which is the terminal minus initial, right? So terminal, terminal is -1, 3 minus 2, -5. So now your component form of a vector, carrots, -1 minus 2 is -3. 3 minus -5 is plus 5, 8. So that's the component form of a vector. Now, they ask you to write it in a linear combination of I and j. So how would you write it? Just x component times I vector plus 8 times j vector.